Hey guys, I'm Nephi Garcia, aka Designer Daddy, and this is...
Lili Garcia, aka Mini Sparkle.
And today we are gonna do a toy unboxing. You excited? Alright, so let's find out what it is. Ta-da-da! What's in the box? What's in the box?
It's so colorful.
I know, I love it. Ta-da! What's this? It's called Capsule Chix.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yes.
It's so fancy. Talk about the box. What do you think?
I love the styles and all the outfits. It looks so fun.
Look at that. Ooh, this is so
colorful.
cool. I know. Which one's your favorite so far?
This one.
It's the kind of same color hair. Kind
Oh
of.
yeah, kind of.
My hair's more like
You don't have puffy hair. Imagine. Imagine.
Ooh.
So it looks like we got, is this like a list? Oh no, this is like showing what you can get.
Oh, cool.
Oh, they have little stands.
Yeah, those stands.
That would be so small.
I know. They're so cute. Over 4 billion looks to build. That's a lot of looks.
A lot of looks.
Can you imagine changing 4 billion times? That would be a lot of outfits.
Yes. So amazing.
I know, right?
Okay, this is like the best. This is the best. Oh, okay, I love her. She's so cute. Ooh, this is so cool.
I know, so you can make your own doll.
Oh, looks. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes.
Oh, it's so cool. Okay, let's get started.
Hey. Is it one?
You got one.
Oh, so we get them separate.
Oh, that's so cool. Alright, so I guess we'll have to try this one again.
I think how big these are gonna be. I think we should play. Oh, cute. Oh, we got the stand. Yep, it's a head.
Yay. Oh, that is cute.
Okay, show them that. Show them. That is very cute.
Sweep it around. It doesn't like this.
It's not attaching. Yay, the next one.
This is so cool.
I know.
I love this dial. I'm so excited. This is so cool.
We got legs and
Oh my gosh.
oh, and a little skirt. Oh, look at
This is so cool.
a little bag and shoes.
Oh, that's cute.
I'm just waiting for the hair.
There's a little picnic basket purse.
This is the cutest hair ever.
So sparkly. It matches my hair. Yay!
Yay! It's so cute. So we completed it.
And once you have all of them, you can mix and match them.
Wait, you used one of those.
What?
That's very
This
amazing.
is so cool. So you actually use this as a stand.
That's amazing.
It's so cool.
I love this. Oh man, this is amazing.
That means we have to collect all of them.
Yes.
Would that be cool?
All of them.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this because it is amazing. We are obsessed.
I love it.
And we are definitely going to collect all of them.
Yes.
Have a good day, guys. Bye.